Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today we'll be talking about the mobile holder. A lot of you were asking about the kind of mobile holder that I use. So I thought of making a separate video on this. And even in the last video, I talked about things which you are supposed to keep in mind while shooting all these Instagram videos. And one of them was stability or shakiness. So mobile holder plays a very important role when it comes to stability. And I'll be showing you today the kind of mobile holder I was using previously, and later on I shifted to another kind of mobile holder. So without any more delay, let's get straight to it. I'm Abhay, you're watching Abhay Calligraphy. Let's get started. So this was the kind of mobile holder I was using previously. The outer surface is made up of plastic with a metal wire inside, which provides a little bit of sturdiness to it. Now it does come with a screw mechanism which helps us in mounting it easily on top of the desk, just like this, and you can simply use the screw to tighten the grip. And that's it. You are basically done. You can now start shooting your videos. Now, I faced multiple problems with this kind of mobile holder. It was taking a lot of time to shoot one video, and I'm going to share all those issues with you. Now, first of all, as soon as you place your mobile into the mobile holder, it will not hold that exact same position. And that is because the metal wire doesn't have this much strength to hold the mobile at exact same position. So it will always come downwards, and then you will have to keep on twisting the arm, adjusting the height as per your requirements. Now, second of all is the stability. It's a really important thing when it comes to videos, and this particular holder provides very low stability. Now suppose you are shooting a very intricate detailed art video and you are completely invested into that, and accidentally your hand touches the mobile holder. Now in this particular scenario, this holder shakes like hell and it affects the quality of the video. Thirdly, when you keep on twisting the arm to get the required height and angle to shoot a specific video, due to excessive twisting, it may break into two. Now, this is something which has happened with me twice, and I'm just telling you this from my own experiences. So because of all these reasons, I stopped using this one and shifted to another kind. So this is the kind of mobile holder I'm using right now. It's from a brand called Brolavia and I bought it from Amazon. I'll be putting that Amazon link in the description box down below. So if you want to purchase the same one, you can check that out. I just love the sturdiness of this holder. In whichever position you put the mobile, it will not move at all. So this is basically a metal arm and it is really stable. I've been using it for past 1.5 years and I haven't faced any problem when it comes to video quality. So it basically comes in two parts. One is the metal arm which can move all the way up to 180 degrees, and another one is the clamp which you can easily fix on the desk. The metal arm goes inside of this clamp and you can just use the screw to tighten this arm, and now it's good to go and you can start shooting your videos. But even though I'm using this mobile holder right now, it has its own design flaws. Although I didn't even notice all these flaws because I didn't have anything to compare it with. But since I've got similar kind of holder with my microphone, I have something to compare it with, and I'll tell you what those design flaws are. Well, I don't know if they are selling the exact same piece right now or they have fixed the issue, but yeah, let's discuss them anyways. Let's have a look at both the clamps. On the right hand side, we have the one from Brolavia's holder, and on the left hand side, it's the one that I got with my microphone. Look at the top part in both the clamps. It's pretty thin in Brolavia's clamp, whereas that part is pretty thick in another one. Just keep in mind this thing and I'll show you one by one what the real issue is. So as you can see, I have put the metal arm into the clamp and I have tightened the screw. But when I'm trying to rotate the arm, a part of the desk is kind of getting into the way, and it's not allowing the metal arm to rotate properly. So in order to rotate the arm, I will have to lift it just a little bit and then I'll be able to rotate it. Now this may not be a very big deal, but the previous desk that I was using, it was a really nice office desk. And because of this particular issue, it has worn out a major chunk of it. And since this is my new desk, I don't want anything like that to happen to this one. So again, it's not a big deal, but this is again something you should know. I will actually show you how this could have been easily avoided or fixed using the another clamp. So when I use another clamp, since the top part is pretty thick, it allows the metal arm to move freely without any problem. But since I'm using both the holders, so what I do is I take a thick piece of paper and place it underneath the clamp, and it kind of protects my desk. And I will continue using it this way till I upgrade to another one. So this is all about my mobile holder, what kind of holder I use. I hope you will find all the information helpful. And if you like the content, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll be coming up with a lot of new and informative videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.